Namaskaram. Good morning, everyone. We are again here for yoga and physical activity session. And in this yogic session, today we will do some micro yogic practice and some yogic asana. And today's special Surya Namaskara and Pragya Yoga round. After that, Pranayama yogic abhyasa. So let's come for today's session. Today we will start our session with Gayatri Mantra. Sit any meditative posture. We sit on Padmasana. Just like back should be straight, neck should be longer. Keep both hands in Jnana Mudra. Normalize your breathings. Adopt Namaskara Mudra, eyes closed. Start Gayatri Mantra together. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your both palms and place your both palms on your eyes, your face muscle. Slowly open your eyes, look at your palm with a gentle smile. Stand up everyone to standing position. Place both hands on your waist, legs apart. Exhale, touch your chin to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up 2. Exhale down. Inhale 3. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down. Inhale 6. Exhale down. Inhale 7. Exhale down. Inhale 8. Exhale down. Inhale 9. Exhale down. Inhale 10. Exhale down. Inhale, come full to the center. Exhale, twist your head to left side. Look back from left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, come straight to the center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Release. Exhale, lift your head. Exhale, bend your head to left side and come slowly to the center. Exhale, bend to right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, come slowly to the center. Exhale, bend your head. Touch your chin to the chest and go for head rotation. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come to the center. Shoulder up and down. Inhale up, exhale 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 down. Stretch your both hands in front and clutch your fingers. 1, 2. Clutch with inhalation and release with exhalation. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Make a fist and go for this rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch your both hands in front and elbow movement. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And release. Place both hands on your shoulder with fingers, elbows together, and go for shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release your both hands from side. Normalize your breathings. And next, place both hands on your waist, legs apart, and go for hip rotation. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come to the center. Legs together, feet together. Raise the left arm above the head, left bicep touching to the ear, and exhale, bend to right side. Look up and hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, come back. Same with the opposite hand. Raise the right arm above the head and exhale, bend to left side. Look up the ceiling and hold here 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, come back. Release the hand. Next, legs apart. half to 1 feet gap in between your legs. Raise the arms in line with the shoulder and twist to left side. Go for Kati Chakrasana with exhalation. Place your right hand on your left shoulder, your left hand behind your back, and bend the wrist. Look back from left shoulder. Inhale center, exhale right, twist to right side. One more round. Exhale left. Inhale center. Inhale, come through to the center. Normalize your breathing. Take few normal breaths. Bend your knees. Place both palm on your kneecap and go for knee movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Place both hands on your waist. Stretch your right leg in front and go for ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release the leg. Same with the opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Normalize your breathing. Take few normal breaths. Okay, let's come for next yogic asana. Today's first yogic asana, Tadasana. Legs together, feet together. Inhale, raise the arm from side above the head. Interlock your fingers and stretch it out. And both palms towards to sky. You can see bicep touching to the ear. And inhale, heels off the ground, kneecap locked. And one more inhalation, stretch upward. Stretch your whole body to upward. Whole body weight on your toes. Stand with your toes. Stretch up and hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Exhale down and release. Normalize your breathings. Sit on the mat. Come to Vajrasana. Stretch your both legs in front and go for butterfly series. First, hold your right leg ankle and place your right feet upper part of left thigh, just like. And catch your right kneecap with the right hand and catch your toes with your left hand. And inhale, lift your right thigh touching to the chest with inhalation. And exhale, put it down. Press with your right hand and look back from left shoulder. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down, and release the leg. Same with the opposite leg. Hold your left leg ankle and place your left ankle upper part of right thigh, and catch your left kneecap, catch your toes with your right hand. And inhale, lift your left thigh touching to the chest, and exhale, put it down, press your knee with your left hand, look back from right side. Inhale, exhale. Look back from right shoulder. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and release the leg. Next, go for butterfly. Toes together, feet together, spine should be straight. Interlock your toes with your fingers, slide, and go for butterfly. And release. And next variation of butterfly, raise the arm above the head, fingers separate, and exhale, bend forward. Place both palms on the ground and slightly walk with your fingers forward, and try to rest your abdomen in a ledge of both feet. And hold here 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, come back, and release the leg. Come to Vajrasana, and stand up, everyone, and go for Surya Namaskara round. First, we will do some Surya Namaskara round in rhythmic way, and after that, faster round. So let's come first. Come to top of the mat with leg together, feet together, shoulder relaxed. Look at your front. Normalize your breathing. Inhale, raise the arm from side, palms touching each other, and come to Namaskara Mudra. Just like step 1. And go for step 2, Astottanasana. Inhale, raise your both arms above the head, bicep touching to the ear, and fingers separate. And one more inhalation, try to one more inhalation, and move your pelvic forward, engage your buttock, and go for arch back. Step 2. Exhale, bend forward, arm extended, bend forward. Hold your ankle, kneecap locked, and try to touch your forehead to your knee. step 3. And go for step 4. Place both palms beside your feet. Back. Step 4. Right knee on the ground and look up. Exhale, another leg back. Go for Parvatasana, step 5. Heels on the ground, kneecap lock. Look at your table. Exhale, knees down, chest down, chin down. Lift your buttock from the ground. Hold the breath. Toes out. Lift your upper body from your navel region. Both elbows closer to the chest. Lift your upper body from navel region to calf. Step 7. With inhalation. Exhale. Step 8. Tuck your toes on the ground. Come to Parvatasana. Step 8. Heels on the ground. Look at your navel region. Kneecap locked. Inhale. Left leg forward in between your palm. Right knee on the ground. Look up. Step 9. Ashwasanchalanasana. Right knee forward in between your palm. Step 10. Come to Padahastasana. Hold your ankle and one more exhalation. Try to touch your forehead to your knee. Inhale. Step 11. Arch back. Exhale. 12. Head of Namaskara Mudra. And release the hands from side. This is the demonstration of Surya Namaskara. Let's come for next rhythmic way Surya Namaskara. Come to top of the mat. Head of Namaskara Mudra, step 1. Inhale, step 2. Exhale, step 3. Inhale, step 4. Exhale, step 5. Inhale, exhale, step 6. Inhale, step 7. Exhale, step 8. Inhale, step 9. Exhale, step 10. Inhale, step 11. Exhale, step 3. Inhale, step 4. Exhale, step 5. Inhale, exhale, step 6. Inhale, 7. Step 7. Exhale, step 8. Inhale, step 9. Exhale, step 10. Inhale, step 11. Exhale, step 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale 9. Exhale 10. Inhale 11. Exhale 3. Inhale 4. Exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale 9. Exhale 10. Inhale 11. Exhale 12. And release. Okay. Let's come for another 5 rounds in faster way. Come to standing position. Samasthiti and go for faster way. And release. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathings. Okay. Next, Pragya Yoga. Let's come for Pragya Yoga. Come to top of the mat with leg together, feet together. Come to Samasthiti. Inhale, raise your both arms above the head. Bicep touching to the fingers separate. And inhale, heels off the ground. Stand with your toes. Tadasana, step 1 with inhalation. And exhale, step 2, Padahastasana. Hold your ankle and try to touch your forehead to your knee. Inhale, exhale, come to Vajrasana. Step 3. Inhale, step 4, Ustrasana. Exhale, Yoga Mudra. Step 5. Inhale, Ardha Tadasana. Step 6. Exhale, Sasankasana. Step 7. Inhale, step 8, Bhujangasana. Exhale, step 9, Bhujangasana, Triyak Bhujangasana. From left side, look back from left shoulder to your right hip. Inhale, center. Exhale, step 10, Triyak Bhujangasana 2. From right side, look back from right shoulder to your left heel. Inhale, center. Exhale, come to Sasankasana. 11. Step 11. Inhale. Step 12. Ardha Tadasana. Exhale. And inhale. Hold. Utkatasana. 13. Step 13. Utkatasana. Exhale. Step 14. Adhastasana. Inhale. Step 15. Tadasana. And step 16. Bring your both hands down. Make a fist with Omkara. Okay, this is the demonstration. Let's come for another 2 rounds of Pragya Yoga. Come to top of the mat with leg together, feet together. Inhale. Raise the arms above the head. Inhale. Step 1. Exhale, bend forward. Step 2. Adhastasana. Come to Vajrasana. Step 3. Step 4. Ustrasana. Step 5. Yoga Mudra. Step 6. Ardha Tadasana. Step 7. Sasankasana. Step 8. Come to Bhujangasana. Step 9. Triyak Bhujangasana. Inhale, center. Step 10. Triyak Bhujangasana 2. Step 11. Sasankasana. Step 12. Ardha Tadasana. Step 13. Utkat Asana. Step 14. Padhastasana. Step 15. Tadasana. Step 16. Deep inhalation and bring your both hands down with Omkara. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. step 7, step 8, step 9, step 10, step 11, step 12, step 13, step 14, step 15, step 16 with Omkara. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathings. Sit on the mat. Sit any meditative posture. We can sit on Saralasana. Normally fold your legs, slide. Next, Pranayama Yogic Abhyasa. Keep both hands in Jnana Mudra. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathings. First, Pranayama Abhyasa, Bhastrika Pranayama. Forcefully exhalation and forcefully inhalation. So let's come for Bhastrika Pranayama. Spine should be straight. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम का अभ्यास हम 3 स्तरों में करेंगे. प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय में मध्यम गति से और तृतीय में तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. कमर गर्दन सीधी करें. प्रारंभ करें सरल गति का अभ्यास. Relax, normalize your breathing. Next, मध्यम गति से. Relax, normalize your breathings. Next, तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. तीव्र गति से करने से पूर्व कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें. हृदय संबंधी रोगी और उच्च रक्तचाप संबंधी रोगी इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें. प्रारंभ करें. दोनों हथेलियों से इस प्रकार घुटनों को पकड़ लें, हाथों का सपोर्ट लेते हुए. Relax, normalize your breathing. This yogic practice good for your respiratory system and good for any kind of your breathing disease, your respiratory disease. And this yogic practice detoxify your respiratory system and detoxify your whole body. And this yogic practice increase your immunity. So let's come for next yogic practice, Kapalabhati Pranayama. कपालभाति प्राणायाम षटकर्म शोधन का एक अभ्यास है जिसे हम प्राणायामों के साथ करते हैं. तो कमर गर्दन सीधी करें. स्ट्रोक के माध्यम से स्टमक को धक्का देते हुए निरंतर रेचक क्रिया का अभ्यास करना है। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। इस अभ्यास को हम तीन चरणों में करेंगे। प्रथम 30 के स्ट्रोक्स में, सेकेंड 40 के एंड थर्ड 50 के स्ट्रोक्स में। प्रारंभ करें प्रथम 30 स्ट्रोक्स के। Forty strokes. Next, 50 strokes. सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास। यहीं से अगला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम का होगा। दाहिने हाथ की प्रणव मुद्रा बना ले। तर्जनी और मध्यमा को मोड़ते हुए नासिका छिद्रों के पास ले जाएं। अंगूठे से दाहिनी नासिका को बंद करते हुए बाहीं नासिका से श्वास भरें और दाहिनी नासिका से श्वास छोड़ें। पुनः दाहिनी नासिका से श्वास भरते हुए बाहीं नासिका से छोड़ें। इस प्रकार एक चक्र पूर्ण हुआ। इसी प्रकार हमने अगले चक्रों का अभ्यास करना है। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास। यहीं से अगला अभ्यास भ्रामरी प्राणायाम का। दोनों हाथों की षटमुखनी मुद्रा, कानों के पट्टों को बंद करते हुए पहली उंगली आपके आईब्रो के ऊपर, दूसरी आपकी आई बॉल के ऊपर, तीसरी आपकी अपर लिप्स के ऊपर, लास्ट और छोटी उंगली आपके लोअर लिप्स के नीचे। श्वास भरते हुए मौ का उच्चारण करना, भौरे के समान गुंजायमान करना है। जीवा को पटल पर लगाएं, दांतों को आपस में न मिलाएं। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। आंखें सहजता से बंद ही रखें। कमर गर्दन सीधी करें। यहीं से ओमकार का प्रणव उच्चारण, कमर गर्दन सीधी, लंबी गहरी सांस भरते हुए ओम का उच्चारण नाभि और कंठ से। आंखें बंद। ओंकार से उत्पन्न ऊर्जा को अपने अंतर मन में आत्मसात करें। उस दिव्य ऊर्जा से अपने अंतःकरण को शुद्ध करते हुए और अनुभव करें कि आपका आसपास का वातावरण भी शुद्ध हो रहा है। इसी मनोभाव से दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में रब करें और हाथों में उत्पन्न ऊष्मा ऊर्जा को चेहरे पर स्पर्श करें और प्रत्येक तनावपूर्ण अंग पर स्पर्श करें। हथेलियों को चेहरे के सम्मुख रखते हुए एक मधुर मुस्कान के साथ आंखों को खोलें। नमस्कारम, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।